Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about zeros function, ones function and empty function in NumPy. So let's discuss first of all zeros function. So zeros function is used to store all elements as zero in arrays. So let's understand by using of help function. Okay, let's understand first zeros function. In zeros function, we have to give parameters like shape of the array, d types means data types of particular array, and order. And it will return a new array of given shape and type filled with zeros only. Shape can be a single digit or a tuple. Tuple will give return as a two-dimensional array filled with zeros. So let's understand zeros function by some example. Here you can say here you can see like when we are giving a single digit or three, it will return a one-dimensional array with three values filled with zeros. So it is giving a float type values. So if you want to change the d types of a values inside array, we can do that. Here you can see by giving a d type equal to int, we can change the return or we can change the output array like by integer value. Now understand how we can create a two-dimensional array of zeros. Here you can see there are two rows and three columns available in array. So it's a two-dimensional array. We can also pass a list inside a np.zeros and we will get the same result. Let's understand that. Here you can see like we are getting the same output as above. So that's all about zeros function. Let's quickly move towards ones function. So first of all, we are taking a help of help function. Let's understand first what is ones function. Ones function is also take a parameter as a shape, d type equal to none, and order equal to C. So data type is equals to optional. The desired data type for the array is numpy.int8. Default is numpy.float64. And it will give array of ones with the given shape, d types, and the order. So let's understand by using of some example. Here you can see like float is the default data types of np.ones function, and here we can say we are getting a one dimensional array with four values or filled with one. We can change the data type also by giving a d type equal to int. We can change the data type of a particular array. We can also give a tuple inside a ones function so that we can get a two-dimensional array. Here you can see like we are getting a two-dimensional array with two rows and three columns. Now let's quickly move toward the empty function. What empty function is do? It will store all elements as random number in arrays. So let's understand first what is empty function. Here you can see like it's taking a parameter as a shape, d type, default d type is float, and order is C. So it will return a new array of given shape and type. Object array will be initialized to none, and here you can see by using of an example also. Here you are getting a like it's a random value. You can change the value and get check. Here here you can see like we are getting a four rows and five column two-dimensional array with filling with random numbers. So that is the use of empty function. It works like a same as a ones and zeros function, taking a parameter as same like a ones and zeros function, but return a value in different way. Like it return a random value in ones function, return a one values, and zeros function will return a zeros values. That's all for today. We will see more function in next video. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.